Kynhun ki bangat election duty na kebantaban Pynïaid baik Pynïaid renti ya ke election jet nong mikmat MP Lok Sabha haki Artli ki constituency ke Shillong parliamentary constituency bat Tura parliamentary constituency ke banla ke khat kandai trek uyayong arja arpsau kilami na gijaka baper ban Leit ki polling station jongki. Ka election jet MP haki tegi Artli ki constituency kan sedang nadu kapor nyo beje men step bat kan kut hadu kapor sau beje janmiet jong khat kandai trek uyayong arja arpsau. Kynhun jong Artli ki district ke Baharilum khasi jain tia bat Harilum Garo Hills kilami Ryngkat ki electronic voting machines EVMS voters verifiable paper audit trails VVPATS bat kiwe de ki tiar election. Kat kum kejing pentep Chief Electoral Officer BDR Tiwari Kynhun jong nyospa nrup Artli ki polling station kilami menta kesngi ke khatnyo trek uyayong arja arpusau Ryngkat bat ki bor Pahara bat ki babun ki balami ban Leitsa ki dei ki bana ki polling station ki basanong kendong bat ki bajengai bat ki bam biang kum ki lenti yat kali da ka ba ai nuksa ya ki polling station kum ha amlaram.
In respect to the polling in Meghalaya, today is P-2 day and polling parties are getting dispersed for their respective polling station in all the districts. So all the needful arrangement has been made for their state. They can reach in time and polling state slightly less. So polling parties are almost getting dispersed for their respective polling station in all the districts. So each polling station, if you see that as per the number of each and every polling party is the same. So accordingly, the polling personnel are arranged as per the polling station wise, and they all are ready, dispersed, and they are on the way to their respective polling stations. Some might be reached also. So we are getting the report from the district.
Sub P-2 means how far they are going?
It doesn't matter the distance in the length. It is in view of the road condition, difficulty, terrain. Some might be they have to walk several kilometers. So all those criteria has been taken while deciding which polling station will be P-2. So it is a progressive figure in each and every election time. We assess that through the sector magistrate, and based on their report, so which polling station, it means that they can reach in time and then revert back. So some polling station we can't take any risk. So polling parties are dispersed in advance. So those are the polling stations, are P-2 polling station, and rest for example, you see the Kamsing polling station in Amlaram. So there the polling party have to go by boat. So they have to move in advance, like Kalatek in the Sela area and several other polling stations. This Nongriat side where they have to go by track to this very famous area for the living root bridges, the double-decker bridge, and such the difficult terrain. The people used to, our polling parties used to go in advance.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha kam kta ikadur jengki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.